What's up, guys? So we're here at the shop because of this dog bone right over here. Came loose. If you take a look at the two screws right here on the torque board in the rear, you see how it has the screws. That's how the other one's supposed to be. See how it's missing the two screws right there? So once they put the two screws, it should align back up. Noticed it while I was doing my pre-trip this morning, so I came over here to get it looked at. The axles look a little bit off, so I'm here at this alignment shop. Gonna have them take a look at it, and let's see what they say and what they could do about it. So they put the two screws on the torque board, and I was able to hook up to my trailer and go make my delivery.